So YouTube is constantly making changes. Some of them are good, but some of them are really bad. And the most recent ones that I would consider not a great move are first, removing the amount of dislikes that you could see visibly without having some type of extensions. And then the other one is the ability to actually sort your videos from oldest to newest. And I think this is a really important thing, especially if your channel has a lot of video and it just makes it really hard for people to see all the content you created and also see your entire journey. And even though within your YouTube Creator Studio, you could still sort by date, the fact that they took this feature out for other people on your main channel or visibly just really sucks. However, it looks like YouTube is going to bring it back. So they're planning to bring back sort by oldest. And they said the reason they did this is because whenever they had additional types of content like live videos and later shorts, it made it really hard for their system to actually sort by order, especially since the content was now broken up. But now they have actually fixed this problem and they will be bringing the sort option back on your videos and on your channel. And I'm really happy that they're bringing this back, not only for my channel, but me being a viewer of other content. I want to be able to see the creator's journey and their older videos as well. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments there below, and we'll see you on another video. For serious YouTubers, check out TubeBuddy, the premier tool news at geekoutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below.